In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. You need to begin by locating an app called My Files and clicking on it. When you're ready, select the downloads on the left under Documents. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it or hold it and click on those three dots at the bottom right corner. Then select Open With and click on one of your apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!